get me a priest. There is so much I have to repent for. That is beginning of Christian consciousness.
I don't have a question. Senator, you have a question?
I just have a comment. When you spoke about verse 222 of the Bhagavad Gita, this person gives up the old garments, giving up the new ones. As a person takes on, gives up the old garments, takes on new garments, assuming the soul, gives a new body. Giving up the old one. It just reminded me of, and this kind of relates to your answer to her question about how to be Christian conscious. Those signs in those Bhagavad Gita signs were actually made by a gentleman, a devotee from Gujarat.
Really?
His name was Surya Ram Joshi.
Okay.
And one time he was driving on the highway and he saw 3 crosses, along the highway, which the Christians, there was one Christian man who, wherever there was a car death, he would put Christian crosses throughout the nation. He was a very wealthy man. So he got inspired by that. He said, well, if a Christian man can put crosses everywhere, why can't I put Bhagavad Gita slokas everywhere?
Oh. Okay.
So he had a motel in Columbia, South Carolina, called Any Day Motel. Any Day Inn, like a takeoff and holiday inn, any day. And in next to the reception area, he had a workshop, and he would carve out these Bhagavad Gita sloka signs with his hand with a little router, and he would paint them and he would varnish them. He took them in his little van to every temple in North America. He was so inspired. So, and I think that's like, here's someone who's just, from where he is at in life, he's working in a motel, saying, what can I do? And so I have some room in this motel here. I can set up a little workshop. I like to work with women. So whatever facility or ability we have, whatever it is, whatever Krishna's given us. Come, Maji, would you like to share with us what Swami told you the other day about when you get back to the spiritual world?
Oh.
I think
I
it's very
can say
beautiful.
the essence of it. Krishna Maharaj asked me, so when you go back to spiritual world, what Krishna is going to ask you for? And I'm like, I don't know, Maharaj, what is he going to ask me for? And he says, he's going to ask you, were you mothering? Were you? Meaning he's not going to ask me if I was Mother Teresa or if I was Shalagram or if I was whoever, Krishna Baba. He's going to ask me if I was you, meaning if I used all what I had, all my talents and gifts for his glorification, for his service. Because sometimes I just appreciate so much other devotees and I wish I have their qualities. But then I have their gifts or their talents, but I may miss my own gifts and talents. Because I'm focusing too much on, why I don't have this, why I don't, I don't have that quality. So he said, no, you have your own, and you need to use them. And Krishna is going to ask you,
whether you have.
Did you use it, your own? Were you using your own qualities, your own gifts and talents and whatever abilities we have in his service?
this reminds me of Paradise Lost by Milton, because he also asked the same question when he became blind. So he was thinking whether I am using my own talents, which is given to me by Almighty. And then he started writing Paradise Lost and Paradise Regained. So sometimes we have to focus on our own themes instead of course we have to keep in mind other virtues as well.
And
appreciate them, because we get motivated, we get inspired by them. At the very same time, we cannot forget our own.
Yes.
And you said, Krishna will ask you what you have contributed,
Yes.
what you have done towards the world. And that is what we are, we should do that. And I'm at the age of now 50, so even I'm thinking, how can I give back to my society, because I have taken so much. So this is my journey.
And it's not so much that he's asking you, what did you do? But more he's asking, how did you utilize the gifts that I've given to you?
They should not be wasted, right? Because
Or ignored?
and we are so fortunate that he has given us so many things which other creatures might not be having. So we should, yeah.
And that very point goes back to a question that Devananda Pandit raised, or a quote that he made from Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who was Srila Prabhupada's guru. And he said the only problem in this world is a lack of Krishna consciousness. And then Madhuri raised the question, well, what does that mean, to be Krishna conscious? And on a most basic level, it means that understanding that everything is owned and controlled by the Supreme Lord. The sun, without which life could not exist. The air and the wind, without which life could not exist. The land that we walk on, the food that we eat is because of the sun and the moon and the rain. And everything is given by God. Why? So that we, as human beings, can become God conscious and reawaken our relationship with Him. It's not meant simply so that we eat and get fat and lazy. No, these things are gifts from the Lord so that we can fulfill the purpose of human life, which is to reawaken our relationship with God, with Krishna. Otherwise, if we're not doing that, we're no better than animals.
Exactly.
She had a comment.
Yeah, okay. I had comments too. I couldn't control myself, I'm sorry. I was gonna lie.
No,
Go ahead.
No, I just had an announcement. I just wanted to say that today is the disappearance day of Srila Bhaktipada. So for those of you who have served with him, served Srila Prabhupada so nicely under his direction, please, take a moment to somehow remember his gifts and his talents and his creativity and his love and devotion to Srila Prabhupada's mission and to Vrindaban.
Would say something about what he did. I'm sure many of you don't know who she's referring to, Kirtananda Maharaj. He was one of the very first disciples of Srila Prabhupada. He met Srila Prabhupada in 1966.
Almost touched it.
And he was Srila Prabhupada's first sannyasi disciple. And he developed this community from nothing. I mean, literally nothing. An old farmhouse that was built in like 1860 or something like that. He leased about 125 acres from a neighbor over here, Richard Rhodes, who's passed away. And the farmhouse was just so old and so dilapidated that in the winter, the wind would blow through. It was just unbelievably cold. And as a sannyasi, he had no possessions, he had no income like that. And himself and a few other devotees, from that really simple and humble beginnings, they developed this whole community. They built the palace, they built the very temple that we're sitting in, these ponds here, and the cabins. He provided the vision God brothers and God sisters, several in this room, helped him to actually build and develop the community. And the Telegram was saying that today is his disappearance day, the day that he left this world. So the very building we're sitting in is because of his devotion and dedication to following the instructions of Srila Prabhupada. Very cool.
Praise Devananda Pandit.
And I just want to just appreciate all of you when the prayers for Dhamma Drastika were being sung. I'm just really, my heart,